When I tried to play the GTA San Andreas, I got this error message. An error occurred while launching this game. No licenses. To fix this problem, just close stuff here and go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection. Select Manage Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the Game folder. Select the GTA San Andreas game folder and select folder option. Once you added the game to this list, go back to Virus and Threat Protection and select Protection History. Click on the drop down in Threat Found and select Yes. And as you can see, game related file is in here. Select Action and select Allow on Device option and select Yes. Do the same thing if any other game related file is in here. Once you've done this, just close stuff here and get back to the game folder. And now open this Play GTA San Andreas application. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.